Oh wow, look at this salad. Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom and I are going to show you how to make this wonderful salad. Breaded chicken cutlets is out of this world. Anyway, if you haven't noticed, we made our own cookbook. It's got over 57 recipes and it's really easy to follow. You can get this on Amazon. Click the link below and it'll take you right there and you can purchase the book there if you'd like. Anyway, let's get cooking.
Okay, we're going to do a nice arugula salad today. Also, we're going to do chicken Milanese, and we're gonna put that right on top of that arugula salad with onions, little onion, tomatoes,
Fresh mozzarella.
fresh mozzarella. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and slice this chicken this way, because I'm gonna pound this out. Here. I don't think it's gonna splash anyway.
That's right.
Now we're going to bread our chicken. Add some eggs, parsley. I'm gonna season the flour a little bit. With salt and pepper. Okay, put our eggs in here.
Those are fresh eggs, by the way.
Okay, we're gonna season our egg wash too with salt and pepper. That's it. That's it. Fast. Okay. Let's get our chicken bread. What is that, paper? Oh, shit.
First thing you want to do is dredge that chicken. Cover it completely with that flour.
Yep.
And then the egg. Make sure it's all covered. And that's it. Just bread it up. Very nice. Look at that cutlet. Huh? Perfect.
Look outside. Out the back.
Last one. Then we fry these babies up, make our salad, and then we're gonna eat. All right, we're gonna fry our chicken.
Beautiful. We got some arugula today.
Beautiful arugula.
Fresh arugula.
Throw it in a bowl.
Let's put it in here. Oh,
Nice.
isn't that nice?
Okay, we're gonna fry these up now. I'll just release the big ones first.
All right, well that's frying up. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get this salad all ready.
Easy there, man.
Slice these up very thin. Ah, beautiful.
Very nice. That's good.
All right. Okay.
Hope this one's ready to turn over.
Oh, beautiful. All right. Now we got our beautiful tomatoes here. They're all different colors. Cherry tomatoes. I guess they're kind of like heirloom tomatoes. So I cut them in half. All right. In a minute we'll have Chef Dom work his magic. Some balsamic
Olive
vinegar.
oil, a little salt and pepper.
That's it.
Okay, this one's ready.
Then fry the rest.
That's it.
Last few pieces we're gonna put on. Okay, this one's ready. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna make our salad now. Some olive oil.
Olive oil.
Some balsamic vinegar.
such a slob. Making a mess.
Salt and pepper? Yeah, but I clean up my mess. Jerk. You want an ice pick to the temple?
Oh, beautiful. On the money. Very good.
Don't need anything else, right?
Yep, very good. All right, let me start making the salad here. Oh, that's beautiful. I've got some fresh mozzarella. Go ahead and line the plate with that. Make it nice. Nice presentation. You have company. This is a great conversation piece right here.
Just hurry up, I'm hungry.
Oh man, look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Perfect.
All right, let me have a piece of that chicken. A couple of pieces of chicken.
You know what? Why don't we put that on a side plate so it don't wilt the arugula?
I wish I took pictures. It's gonna be beautiful.
Oh man, beautiful chickies.
Right there. One more right here.
I'll eat this one.
All right. Let's eat. All right. Dig into the salad here. Oh man.
Throw me some maters in there, man.
They're in there. They're hiding.
Oh, that looks so good.
All right. Let's give it a taste test.
None for you, Sean.
Oh.
Man. Want to move it up? Man, this is a great dish for the summer. Very light. You're absolutely gonna love it.
Very good.
Man.
I have to say so myself.
Anyway, we want to thank everyone who ordered our cookbook. We sold a lot more than we thought we would, and we're
Thank
very,
you.
very appreciative. And if you have the book and you enjoy it, please go back onto Amazon and give us a review. We'd appreciate it. It helps us out. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye. Thank you.